So the way we like to start our campfires is with bacon grease. This is a lot cleaner than using gasoline or some kind of fuel. A lot better than using like a creosote log. This is especially good if you want to cook over the fire later, or if you want to grill meat over the fire. It's going to burn a lot cleaner than using some of those other chemicals. There you go, you can hear it starting to crackle, all the grease. You can see where the wet spot on the paper is starting to catch. That's actually the grease that's soaked through the paper. There we go. And let's turn this over. Just a little bit of a fire block there. I already have a little bit of a nice fire going. You can kind of get an idea of what it looks like outside. You can see it's kind of foggy. A lot of moisture in the air, a lot of moisture on the ground. It's been raining all night. Here you can see the fire pit, wood has all been rained on as well. Still won't be a problem to get it started. So when we cook bacon, we like to cook it in the oven at 420 degrees for about 20 minutes is great. Once it's done, then we will take a paper towel and we will soak up all that bacon grease and even wipe out the pan with it. Take that bacon grease and you roll it up inside either butcher paper that the bacon came in, or a brown paper lunch bag, or even a brown paper grocery bag from the grocery store. If you're not going to use the bacon grease today, you can always throw it in the freezer inside a Ziploc bag. Alright, now we're going to speed the video up here so you can see how quickly it works. This time lapse is probably over a period of about 15 minutes.